Hey, what's up guys? Been a while since there was a vlog here, but yeah, welcome back. And this time it's about my superb van. So it's a Volkswagen, missing sign, Multivan. Um, Quite an old one, but we had it for a while and I really like it. And recently I made some upgrades and I decided to show you around a little bit and basically show you how I converted a normal multivan into a windsurfer's small dream van, let's say. So yeah, come on in and have a look inside. So as you can see, there is a specific section for sails and masts where I can fit, I don't know, 6-7 sails, slalom sails with older masts, and they always stay there. And then here is the newest addition and very important one, is booms space. Also probably one of the most important bits, because if you've been traveling with a lot of booms, you must know that it's probably one of the most cumbersome pieces of equipment to put it in the car. It seems they don't take up a lot of space when you just have one of them, but if you have 2 or 3 of them and you try to put them anywhere, it's a mess. And you don't want to like really push them in somewhere so that they don't get damaged. And you know, you have harness lines and other important pieces on it, so you basically want to be careful with it. So that's why I have this whole space just for booms. And in the future I'm planning to add some hooks here so that I can hook them on and they stay in place all the time. I think at the moment I can fit like 5 booms in here, slalom and foil booms, so it's a nice little space. Then above it I sometimes surf. So if you can see here, I have like a really nice rack for 1 or 2 surfboards that I can put in, and they stay really nice and secure in there. And this big area over here, at the moment it's turned into a bed. As you can see, there is a nice big mattress in here, and I actually slept here tonight. So if you're traveling on small trips and you're staying near wherever you're windsurfing, yeah, it's nice to have a little bed in there so you can sleep. And yeah, normally when I'm traveling I'll have my boards in here. So let me show you how I put my boards in here. Now there's one board with a fin here. Usually if I take out the fins I can easily put around 4 boards inside. If I remove the mattress, then 5-6 boards without too many issues go in, and then yeah, I can travel wherever I want. And if I need to sleep somewhere, I just need to take the boards out and jump inside and have a good night's sleep. And yeah, final piece is this little area over here where I have my fin bag and extensions and everything. And yeah, it's nice to have an extra space for all your stuff, because I think oftentimes windsurfers forget that they do have normal luggage, like normal people luggage as well, and they just make a car where they can put windsurfing equipment in, and then they have no space for their clothing, extensions or anything else. So I'm really happy to have this little space over here. And if you follow me around the side here, you see there is this nice little wooded area here where I'm staying. And if you come and take a look here inside, so yeah, we have here booms. As I said, the surfboard is nice and secure on top. You see it's not going forward anyway. And up front here we have some stuff laying down. Here, another important piece, toolbox. I'm in love with it at the moment. Best piece of equipment I ever bought. As you can see here, I can put a lot of stuff in. Clothing, bags, food, a lot of wetsuits. I have like 6-7 wetsuits at the moment here. So yeah, everything fits down at the bottom. And finally, to secure the booms so they don't fall out to the side, we've put a little rope in here to secure them. And when you're traveling, you can put a lot of stuff in between the booms, like a sleeping bag, various mats and so on. So yeah, you have additional storage space inside the boom if you don't need to remove them quickly. I think an important piece of advice when you are converting your van, if you are, so first of all about the van, I think a Volkswagen Transporter is a great starter van if you're traveling just by yourself or two people. You can definitely fit enough of equipment, and unless you are a pro windsurfer, I don't think you need really a bigger van if you're just traveling around. Again, if you're planning to camp a lot and you want the whole camping thing inside, then you'll need to upgrade to something bigger. But currently for my uses, it's perfect. And yeah, when you're converting any size of van, you just want to consider how you're traveling and how you're going to use the van. So for me, the main criteria were I travel a lot on a daily basis from one spot to another, and when I arrive, I want to be able to take out one piece of equipment easily without having to destroy the whole thing inside and then to put it back into its place. That's why I separated booms, sails, boards and bags, so if I take out one single thing, it doesn't fall apart, the whole pyramid of things, and I can put it easily back inside. And yeah, it's just nice and easy when you are traveling on a daily basis to different spots. Another thing, I will sleep sometimes inside, but not too often, so having a simple bed but without too much space and without a very easy access, I need to climb now through the back or through the front, is sufficient for me. But if you're planning to sleep for 7 days in a row in the car, you might need something else. So yeah, that's about it. This is current edition of my van. When you have a van, you're constantly changing some things and improving on it, so it's probably not the last version, but yeah, at the moment I'm pretty happy with it, and I hope it gave you some ideas to how you can convert your van as well. So yeah, peace out for this time, and see you on the water. Go windsurfing.